Here are the puppies. They're 6 weeks old. One chewing on my foot is still available. Spencer on the left there is already taken, for the black and white one. That's how. This is the little girl that's going at me. She's working on putting a hole on my sock, I can see. And I have two more puppies out here that are loose. And here comes one. This is the other one that's available. I call him Moon. This is the little boy. He's a little bit wet because he jumped in the water bowl. And if I can get around here. There's the little boy here. The little boy in my lap. And here's sister. She's already taken. So we got this one. This one's still available. This is the little boy. Excuse me, this is the little girl. She got in my hands. Here's the little boy. He's wet. That one was dry. He's gonna let me hold him. He wants down to fight. Here's the little boy. There he is. Here's the little boy. He's ready to go fight. There he goes, see? He's ready to go take on the world. There he goes. And his sister's good enough. There he goes. And here's Spencer. And here's sister. We don't know her name yet. Let's see if we can get her. Dear sister. And here's Spencer. We know Spencer's name. And they're biting my toe still. That's sister. She likes my toe. That's Sunny. And there's the water bowl he fell out of. Here he jumped in. There's the two. There they are. So if you're interested, please give me a call.